Loudmouth, loudmouth, loudmouth. Yes, sir. Good bird. That's what I'm talking about, old son. Well, that's I tell you what, I'm batting 1,000 right now, guys. This was an awesome hunt. I got in here and I actually thought I kind of messed up. I knocked some birds off the roost coming in, and I thought it had messed me up big time. I thought it was the gobbler, but what it wound up being is his hens. And I don't think he liked that too much because he couldn't find them. They're off hiding from me. And there we go. Hopefully I got some of that. I was pinned down. Never had a good setup this morning. Never from the get-go. Couldn't get a good setup, but I was able to just sit down and wait on him, and he was up here trying to get his ladies rounded up. And, man, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good bird. Let's check him out. Got some pretty good hooks, little stubby, thick ones, probably about 1 inch long. Got a nice healthy beard on him. Look at that beard. Yes, sir. So, as you might recall, I am actually just got back from Alabama about 4 o'clock this morning, rolled into town, drove through the night, and got here, and I knew the weather was right, and I knew I was going to get on one, or hope to anyways, and here we go. The weather was perfect, and it was worth the sub 2 hours of sleep that I got over the last probably 24 hours. And then about this time yesterday, I killed a bird in Bama, and I'm back in Virginia almost 24 hours on the nose later, and I got another beautiful Virginia bird down. Let's check him out. Yes, sir. Beautiful bird. Awesome hunt. Just had to be agile with it. So, thank you, Lord. Made the old 20 gauge bark again.